Hey everyone, it's Nikki. Welcome back. We are on day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas and we are doing Christmas songs today. All right, this ornament I got on Etsy. I painted it the color Farmhouse Linen by Pink Couture. And this transfer is from Brandy at the DIY Struggle. I got this last Christmas. And I also did seal the ornament with some Extreme Guard satin before placing this. And I'm going to do what you always do with transfers. Just start rubbing and peel back. I like to peel back as I go. If you hear any noise in the background, I just want to let you know it's my little boy Blue, my German Shepherd. He likes to chew and he has his bones in here that he's chewing on. So if you hear that in the background. But I am in my new craft room, guys. I am over the moon. I have my craft table that I have always used since I started my YouTube channel. But then I have this pub style table. It's actually our old kitchen table from forever ago. I gave it to my daughter and she actually just gave it back because she moved. Anywho, I'm so happy. Okay, so after I got my transfer on, I distressed it with, I think, the color Walnut by Tim Holtz. And I just went all the way around the sides and over my image just a little bit. I didn't go over my image very heavily, but I am going heavy on the outside, or on the edges, should I say. How is everyone enjoying the 12 days of Christmas so far? I am having so much fun creating and watching my fellow crafters' videos and commenting and supporting them the best way that I can, which is watching their videos and commenting. But I hope you guys are liking this. And if you are, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. All right, so I pulled out all of my beads. Guys, there's only a couple sets of beads that I've bought myself. All the others I got from Goodwill. And I'm trying to find one that matches, and the what would be the greenery looked like it had like a blue hue to it. I don't know if it was just my eyes or what have you. But I thought this blue went perfectly with it. So I'm going to glue that all the way around the edges using some hot glue. But back to the Christmas DIYs. Are you guys enjoying them? Do you want to see more? I will be crafting all the way up until the 12th, and then we'll have our Just Our Imagination Challenge, which I'm still unsure if I'm going to participate in that. I do it every month, but with everything going on, I still need to take time to do things around the house that I need to do. So let me know. Real quick, these are our hosts, Brenda from Rustic and Lace and Jackie from Crafting and Mimi's World. Be sure to check these ladies out and the playlist. They'll both be linked down below. All right, back to our project. I brought in this vintage style, I don't know what you would call it. It's kind of like tinsel. I got this on Etsy. It's very much vintagey and very popular right now, although I think mine is quite thin compared to a lot of others that I've seen. But I got a sample pack for I think I paid like $10 for it, and it has gold, silver, kind of like a white sparkly one, and red. So I can link that down below as well. But I absolutely love this, and it's not like thick and gaumy. It's what do I want to say? Like delicate, and I can't find the word. I do have words, but I can't figure out the word that I'm looking for. All right, moving forward, to hang my ornament, I chose this really pretty ribbon. It's kind of vintagey, if that's even a word, but to me it kind of is. And I like my hangers to look tidy. I don't like that knot at the top, so I just glue it off, gluing the ribbon together, and then I flip it or run it down the back and then glue it to the back of my ornament. Doesn't that look nice and neat? I think it does. Now I'm going to add on a little bit of greenery. I used this for a project earlier, and I'm just using the leftover pieces. because, we don't want to waste, we want to save. One thing that I've enjoyed so much doing Christmas DIYs is that I've been able to tap into my love for vintage and old things, and almost all of them so far have that vibe. And I'm so happy with all the projects that I made so far. And be sure to check out what I've already made. I've made a lot of cute things. These little bows come from Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby, and um, my last project actually has this little red bow. I think they're just so pretty. But that is it for this. I sealed it in off camera, and I just think this is so pretty. Let me know what you think about this one. And if you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As you know, there's a hype button now. If you feel like hyping me up, go for it. All right, guys, until the next one, bye.